Today, I'm happy to announce that the GIDC, the corporation, has uh, come out with a SOPs, which was very much required and need of the hour. And for the SOPs, we had a committee formed, known as 37B committee, which is normally headed by our managing director, Mr. Neto. Along with them is our GSIC president, Mr. Damodar Koshkar. GCCI, Mr. Manoj Kakulo is not here. In fact, also with us, we have our Deputy GM Law, Mandar Shirodkar. We have our GME, Vijay Kumar Onawat, and also advocate Mr. Amey Salatri. So with all this, we have formed these SOPs, which actually all the entrepreneurs, were looking forward to it. And with this now, there are two things. This SOP 1 is normally the procedures are to be followed is for the issuance of building, license, permit, technical clearances, development permissions, which normally will happen in 30 days time. Provided all the documentation is given thoroughly. And thereafter, we have SOP 2, which will take care of the occupancy certificate and we call it completion order, which normally will take approximately about 30 to 40 days. So with all these procedures, in fact, a lot of entrepreneurs finding a lot of difficulties to get the files moving. But now I'm happy having dynamic JSA president, and we're having also Manoj Kakulo, the representative of GCCI, and my team of the corporation. Things will be much better, and the ranking of us, which was 19 and come down 24, with this SOPs in place, will go up to almost, will come up. So my request to all the entrepreneurs, if they have any difficulty herein after, which I think they should not, they are free to contact me, chairman, or my MD, and we'll take it forward from there. So with this, I am very happy to announce, and in this 2021, it's a good year that this has taken place in GIDC. Thank you.
What was the previous how was it?
The previous these SOPs were not there because we had online, we had gone online services which are online, which already about 13, 12 points were there, which was there, and when the entrepreneurs have been getting themselves involved. But these were very, very important. The main issues is regarding occupancy, regarding permission, construction license, which a lot of people find difficulties for want of documentation, or some lack in the corporation. Now with this SOPs, within 30 days to 40 days, but with all the documentation in place, things will move very, very fast.
There is no relaxation in this. See,
they said like without taking their permission.
No, that you are talking about the small dwellings, one floor dwellings, which few days back. So this is only regarding the industrial thing. This is not
applicable for you.
This is not that is not applicable to us. That is only in the municipal area. If I am not mistaken,
see, we
municipal
are
area, single floor dwellings.
Oh, we are notified land, so everything come under one head.
Yeah, and we have to go to factories and boilers or the fire. We have to get a clearances of all departments.